You have a little brethren, I'm a friend, you know, me and Mr. Teacher, you were together, tough time. All him do friend him, turn minister is exercise. Every day I'm part together. So when a man said, dear man, you know, I left PNP, you know, say PNP now treat you good, and then now give you a seat, me say, me no seat PNP. I am a build up a cancer protection hospital. I am a increase the number of medicine that is on the drug for elderly program. I am a Fenton Ferguson PNP. When they say, go on with your business, because they use you, I say I'm willing to be used, because I see Montague now, and Montague now fooling her, Angela lead him astray. And Montague not even call upon an equal power if him don't know what to do. Because when Peter Bunting did kind of frustrated him, say, I need the hands of God. This man said, need the hands of a Obia man. Not even an equal power. But when they talk about PNP, I am a mocha. I am an anti-gang. I am a coming together to fight crime as a people. Peter Bunting, PNP. When they talk about development and growth, I am a man who understands the importance of knowledge. Because you cannot say power and don't say knowledge when knowledge is power. And there's a man called Philip Palwell that calls for all of us to have a cell phone in our hands so that we can access knowledge. Somehow we have phone, I call phone. But there's a problem with some PNP where only I go on phone to see people picture. Information is the basis of knowledge, and knowledge is the basis of power. The phone in your hand is power. I am a reviving bauxite, Philip Palwell, PNP. When I hear them talk about local government, with Desmond McKenzie, we are going for America's worst model. I'm afraid still. But I don't know him get them suit. And the first man is with a breadfruit suit. But I know it's the People's National Party that entrenched local government into the Constitution. It's the People's National Party that have given real power to your councillor. And so I'm a Noel Ascot PNP. And Auntie Babsy. Auntie Babsy just wait for retire. I mean, not even Auntie Babsy say nothing from she. Auntie Babsy never say nothing. But I'm going to take children out of prison, Lisa Hannah PNP. And so when you look man for man, I'm a building hotels, greater investment, pension for hotel workers, Wickham McNeil PNP. I am a water for rural communities, over 50 programs, Bobby Pickersgill PNP. I mean, I don't want to feel no way, but I'm Angela Brownberg PNP. Yeah. Because me say orange juice, and Angela say pineapple juice. Andrew come and say rum. Rum no in it, no rum coming in. So me work with orange juice and fight out rum. I'm a Raymond Price, legalize ganja, decriminalize ganja PNP. I'm a pass legislation, increase the Jury Act, improve upon the courts, Mark Golden PNP. So there is so much PNP for me to be. It's going to take 100 years for them get PNP out of me. And I'm here because I understand that there's a man called Audley Shaw. Him get a fake award the other day. We say that he's the best minister of finance in the Caribbean. I hear says a voting thing, him have to text to vote. That's why I'm phone bill so high. Him vote for himself.